This is how your PID connector should look. That metal spring clip thing should be aligned with the hole right there. So if it's not, you can unthread this, pull it out, and you want to make sure that the little ridges are aligned on this secondary collar thing, which, yeah. You may also need to finagle this around a little bit, because this this heat shrunk spot is supposed to be pushed all the way up, and then it gets gripped by these little fingers. So make sure your cord is all the way up under the grips of the little fingers there, and then spin it and push it forward a little bit until the little ridges are lined up. And then on your connector, find the opening, and then find this little clip thingy, and then slide it in with it aligned. There you go. Slid it in. You just gotta keep checking as you're inserting it and make sure it's lined up. And then as long as you hold the cord forward so it doesn't slide out any. And once you screw this back on, it'll tighten it and hold the cord for you. There we go. That's it. Hope it helps.